Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone from the lock screen without needing a computer. If you've entered the wrong passcode too many times, you'll see a security lockout message on your screen. Below that message, there will be an option that says Forgot Passcode. You'll be asked to confirm if you want to erase all content and settings from your device. If you're sure, tap Start Erase iPhone. Now, enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple account. This step is necessary to disable Find My iPhone. Once you've entered your password, the iPhone will start the process of erasing all data and settings. After the reset is complete, the iPhone will restart and take you to the setup screen, where you can set up your iPhone as new or restore from a backup. That's it for resetting your iPhone from the lock screen without using a computer. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.